What's up, guys? Today we'll be seeing freelancer websites where you can earn money with any skill you have. So, number one, Upwork. This is a legit platform. This is actually an awesome platform for freelancers, but only thing is getting inside because they have a review process by which you will be getting into this platform. It's a bit hard so that they get the best profiles from people. So, you can actually give it a shot. Next one is Fiverr. This is my personal favorite and I just love it a lot. Fiverr is like you have to post your gigs. Gigs are something that you offer to do people a work. Something like I can remove the background of an image, or I can create you a brochure, I can design you an card, something like that. So for each and every work you have to decide upon a rate and you will be posting it on the Fiverr platform. When people see that, they will contact you. So it's just something like you're selling your your skill. See, you have lots of things to sell, like you can design a 3D model, you can do walkthrough, or you can do a logo design, and according to your rate, your the search engine will make you come up with the searches. So the next one is People Per Hour. People Per Hour is also like a reputed platform, but then this one is like not much I prefer, but this is also a legit website. You can earn money a lot. In People Per Hour, it's like a kind of mixer up between freelancer.com. Buyer can choose any three methods to hire you. So there are totally three methods by which a person hires you. So the three methods I will elaborate in another video. This is just an overlook on what are all the platforms available. So if you are interested in knowing more about People Per Hour, I'll make a new video on that. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe and like the bell and click on the bell icon and smash that like button. Thank you for